Dear students, I hope these few minutes that I have decided to be with you finds you all in good health and good spirit. It's a trying time. We never imagined that an entire academic year would pass by without students being on campus and without having face-to-face interaction between the students and the teachers. But well, we did not meet, but we did not lose the contact, and that's what matters the most. For this live virtual contact maintained between us for last so many months, I would like to express my thanks to my teachers, and I would also like to thank each one of you who made it possible by being a cooperative and understanding. Someone has rightly said, something is better than nothing. Having no academic engagement at all due to shutting down of schools and colleges is more worse than at least a virtual interaction and communication that we could have between us, and therefore thanks students. You all matter a lot to me. Last year in the first wave of COVID, they were saying that senior citizens are more susceptible and vulnerable to the infection. That time, you young generation were running around to provide all the necessary help to your family members and also to the society at large. This second current wave, they mention that even young generation is equally prone to infection with this doubly 3-time mutated virus. But yet, I am very proud to say that group of some of the students from you only has been till today helping the society by being the volunteers at the vaccination center or by continuing their interaction with the street children on the regular basis, which keeps them going and motivated. Any one of you is here in this room or listening to me, students, accept my salute, accept my gratitude and thanks for the excellent work that you have been doing. Remember, students, you are the most promising section of the society, the youth, and tomorrow needs you all. Tomorrow the whole nation is going to look at you. Senior citizens' comfort and young children's joy both will be fulfilled by you, and therefore I urge you all to kindly take care of yourself. Remember, mind controls body. When we say every action taken by body is actually a reaction to the message received from the mind that comes from the thought process that mind is constantly engaging in. And therefore, I want you all to stay positive. Remember, no situation can overpower your mind if you apply the rationale and take necessary steps to keep the condition under control. Talk to your mind. Talk to your body. Get coordination set between your mind and your body. Be a person. When walks, people look at you, they feel motivated, they feel rejuvenated, and they feel reassured that this time too shall pass and nothing that's grim is going to last forever. Well, coming back to your examinations, which are beginning tomorrow, ahead of these examinations, I would like to convey my best wishes to you all. You guys are the batch who has never stood in any line for admission or for iCard or for that grade card. The only queue that you all shall be standing very soon is going to be the queue for your vaccination. Online batch, a first batch and hopefully the last batch is you. And your examinations are starting from tomorrow by online mode. I'm here to wish you all good luck. 30 questions, 30 minutes and 30 marks. Google Classroom, paper is sent on your group. Successful submission gets your score recorded on the portal, etc., etc. All the best. Give your best. In case you still have any queries, the queries could be anything related to ATKT, related to your progression to the next semester, related to your admission, related to your pending of fees payment, related to the very examination that you are going to appear day after onwards. I shall be available. No, you are not coming to the college. When I say I shall be available to you online. Please note, we shall be sharing with you a link which will make this interaction possible. Between 10 to 11 a.m., the link shall be open for FI students, and any FI student can walk in with his or her query during that time. The same link will be then made available between 11 to 12 noon for the SY students for the walk-in query solving, and from 12 noon to 1 p.m. the link will be available for TY students. I myself, along with our controller of examination, Vice Principal Captain Praveen Nayak, shall be available for solving your query, and we shall try to address whatever you have in mind as a question. Dear students, lastly, on behalf of the management of our college, Hindi Vidya Prachar Samiti, on behalf of our director, Madam Dr. Usha Mukundan, my vice principal colleague, all my teachers, all my non-teaching staff from the office, laboratory, library, on behalf of my cleaning staff also, we all wish you best of luck and also advise you that please be safe and take care of yourself and your family members. Don't forget, we all have to meet soon, and to be able to meet face to face and greet each other, we have to remain healthy. So remain fit to the level that you can get back into your own clothes. Thank you, everybody. See you soon. Thank you.